Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the chip in a windscreen. Now the windscreen chips can happen at any time while you're driving. Treat this right away because otherwise these little cracks that usually comes around the chip can spread across the entire windscreen, ending up you might have to replace the entire windscreen. So before all these cracks develop right across the windscreen, you wanna treat the chip right away. So to fix this chip, you need a windscreen chip repairing kit. So those kits that comes in many brands and the prices are not that expensive. This is the kit I bought. It's called Mr. Mendit. So it's a glass chip repairing kit. It comes with a little poking tool like a pin, so you can poke around into the chip and take off any broken pieces of glass. So let's go ahead and see how it goes. First of all, you need to give it a good clean. Here so I got some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm gonna squirt it into a paper towel and give it a good wipe. So you gotta make sure that you don't squirt too much of alcohol into the paper towel, because otherwise it will saturate the chip. We just want this chip to be clean. That's a good reason why I went for the isopropyl alcohol, because it's gonna evaporate quickly. The kit comes with the following things: got some plunger, got some resins, and some applicator pads. All the instructions you need is also inside the packaging. The packaging also describes all the types of chips that you can have. So as you can see, mine is having a star type of chip. So all the instructions are just inside. So let's go ahead and get this fixed. So the first thing you need to do is get the pin provided in the kit and give it a good poke around. So doing that, you can get some broken pieces of glass out of the chip. Then you get this one of these backing pads and try to peel the backing paper off, and try to place it about the chip so you can see what you're doing. Alrighty. Then you peel off the backing for this. Then you get your pedestal that comes with the kit and try to mount it on top of the adhesive backing pad. Yep, just right above it. Then you get your bottle of resin. Just pop the cap off. The kit also comes with a very sharp little blade, so just try to cut the tip off that so you can get the resin out. Then you get your bottle of resin and try to squirt 5 drops into the pedestal. Then you get the syringe that comes with the kit and try to insert that into the pedestal. Yeah, that goes all the way in, and you get to probably keep it in the locking position. That will suck out all the air bubbles out of the chip. If you look from behind the windscreen, you can actually see the air bubbles being sucked in. So I'll try to get a close-up. So the space that was occupied by air before will be replaced by the resin. You can actually speed up this process by giving a few taps around the chip. Don't go too hard. Just be gentle. You don't wanna spread the crack even further. Now we have to wait for like 10 minutes to get all the air out of the chip. Okay, 10 minutes gone by, so it's time to take the syringe out of the pedestal and fill it with air. Push it back in and press it all the way to pressurize that. Now we had to wait for like 20 minutes to let everything set. Okay, now the 20 minutes are gone by, so it's time to take the syringe out of the pedestal. Then you get your safety blade and try to cut the tab. And simply go around the edges. So as you can see, now the crack is completely gone. So that's how we fill out a windscreen chip. And as always, if you like this video, press that like button, and if you want to see more DIY videos like this, press that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.